iPhone 14 Pro Max. Battery health show 86%. After replaced with the new high-capacity battery. A pop-out message unverified due to non-original battery is installed. Although the battery health back to 100%. So we need to run the diagnose process to remove the pop-out message. The diagnose process is completed. Check again the battery status. The pop-out message unverified has been removed. And the battery health now show 100%. As you can see, it only show used in the battery status.
That's good.
Thinking to change new battery? Contact us now.